Welcome to AI Master. Today we will be talking about some super feature of ChatGPT. So it's time to get your plugins. ChatGPT is not just writing stuff. It has entirely different set of superpower called plugin, which basically many apps allow you to do awesome things in ChatGPT. Less than 20 seconds, I'll be showing you how you can activate and you can access plugins in ChatGPT.
Things first, in order to activate plugins, you do need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus so that you can access GPT-4. Once you're in there, you're going to go to your settings down here, click the three little dots, hit settings, select beta features, and you want to turn on browse with Bing and turn on plugins. From there, select GPT-4, click on plugins, click on the little drop down here and head to the plugins store. And from here, you can install any plugin you'd like.
We got a bunch of plugins in ChatGPT, but the ones we are using most of the time, one of them is Show Me plugin. Let's dive into what they can do. With this plugin, we can easily generate graphs and charts. For example, we can ask it to show us the percentage of business owners who can possibly have more than 10 employees. And the result is just mind-blowing. It does not just give us the text, it also generates visual charts showing the data percentage. We use these tools all the time for our own businesses and for our clients. It's super handy.
Now I'm so excited to tell you about our plugin. Once we activate that plugin, which can generate values from text, please Lisa, show us how it works.
Visla and enable it in your ChatGPT. Then type in something like create a short video using public stock footage of a family moving into a new home. Click enter. And in just a few moments, here's our link to our video.
Moving into a new home is a big step for any family. It's a time of excitement, anticipation, and new beginnings.